In the heart of India's northeast lies a land of timeless beauty, vibrant culture, and an unbreakable spirit, Manipur. This November, the much-awaited Manipur Sangai festival returns after 2 years, bigger, bolder, and more dazzling than ever. From November 21st to 30th, join us at the iconic venue's soul-stirring rock concerts, array of indigenous games, and a rare chance to experience the vibrant performances that unite Manipur's rich, diverse culture. Indulge in local flavors, savor mouth-watering cuisines, and feel the warmth of hospitality that makes you right at home. Explore the beauty of Loktak Lake. Marvel at the floating islands of Kaibul-Lamjao National Park and connect with the land that tells its own story. Fly into Imphal, the capital of Manipur, from major cities of India and join the celebration of a lifetime, Manipur Sangai Festival 2025, where your journey of discovery begins.